7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7 is on the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. We're going to go right to right. C prep. 5, 6, 7. So it's going to start off as a touch and go on 1, 2. As soon as we touch it again, we're going to bring it low with the left hand so it hammer locks behind her back. 3. I'm going to follow her. 5. Push pull. 6. Start getting out of the way on 7. So now on 1, the right hand's going to be going over her head to turn her. 1, we're going to hook on 2. We're going to go back to back on 3. We're going to finish it on 5. Guys are starting to do a right turn. Left hand's going to stay low. 6. Now on 7, I'm going to start getting to the other side of the slot as I flick the right hand, my right hand behind her back. 7. So now the left hand is still connected. On 1, I'm going to be looking at her and pulling her forward. 1. So that's going to bring her forward. As I do that, I'm going to be connecting the right hand. So now that the right hand is connected, we're going to let go of the left and pull with the right as we both turn to the right. 2, it's going slow. 3, it's going to go over our head. 5, it's going to go over her head on 6. 7 is starting to finish. So on 1, I'm going to be flicking the hand as we both step back. 1, catching her opposite hand. So now I'm going to be stepping to the side on 2, bring her forward. I'm going to be giving her a free spin on 3. I'm going to be doing a salsa step around her. 5, grabbing her from the arms to misdirect her on 6. 7, I'm hammer locking the left hand. So now on 1, I'm going to be stepping across. 1, bring her forward on 2, inside turn on 3, follow her 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, prep. 5, 6, 7, we're going to do a double. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, we're going to do a 1.5 left, so turn right away. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to be going forward on 1, 1, now 2.5 right, 2, 3, keep turning 5, keep turning 6, keep turning 7. Now we're going to be pumping back on 1, 1, forward on 2, turn on 3, 5, misdirections across in front on 6, back on 7. Now we're going to pump back on 1 again, 1, forward on 2, turn on 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.